Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Venmo account online on our computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into our Venmo account on your PC, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address venmo.com and hit on enter, and of that you'll be redirected to the home page of Venmo. Now in order to log into your Venmo account from over here, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us over here just beside the get Venmo. Tap on that login button and let's verify that we're not a robot. And after verifying that you're not a robot, guys, you might want to refresh it if this page does not show up. From over here, guys, either you will be required to enter your email address or your mobile number or your username with which you had signed up for a Venmo account. And after entering your email address or your mobile number or your username over here, click on the next button over here, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you will be taken to a page where you will be able to retrieve your Venmo account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Venmo account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how to log into your Venmo account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.